How to make only your friends can see your college informations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see your college informations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down, click settings, and here just click this profile information, and now click this one, your college, click here and click this one, and now, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.